Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today I'm going to show you how I hook up my car to a battery tender trickle charger. So basically it just keeps the battery always charged, so then whenever I want to drive the car, the battery's not going to die. It's ready to go. I just unplug it and then take off. But alright, let me show you how I hook it up. Okay, pop your hood. And if you look over here, here's the battery terminal. And there's the ground. So what I do is I push this open and then you have access to the positive terminal. So we keep our cars and motorcycles on a battery tender whenever we're not using them. And then basically every time I take it off, when I want to take it for a ride, it starts up, no issues. But what you want to do is, we have these gator clips, I think that's what they're called, and then the quick connect right here. But go ahead and attach this to the positive. So it's hooked onto the positive, negative, onto the ground. There we go. And then I wire this. I just leave it near the front, and then you grab your battery tender. So here's the other end of the battery tender. Go ahead and connect it. Right. And then I just basically leave it sitting right there, and then I close the hood. Now I go ahead and plug this in. And it, all right. And then you can see the battery is charging right now. And I just leave it on the 12 volt and then AMG flooded, because it's not a lithium battery. Basically it's just ready to go. That's it. Plug it in. And then now we're ready to let the car sit for whenever, until I'm ready to drive it again. Yeah, so that's basically pretty much it. I just leave it on the battery tender, and then whenever I'm ready to drive it, I unplug the battery tender and then start the car like normal. But let me go ahead and show you how to disconnect it. All right. So what I normally do is I unplug it first. All right. So I unplugged it, and then now there's no power going to it. Lift up the hood, disconnect. All right, and then basically close your hood and you're ready to go. All right, well, we have both cars on the charger right now. We have a G37 coupe and the M6 sitting in the garage, but both of them are on a battery tender and they're ready to go whenever we're ready to take them out. It keeps the battery topped off, and we'd never have to worry about really the battery not starting on us. But all right, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.